Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Today I want to share with you another way I like to do my manicures by applying fake nails. I believe that nail care is a form of self-care, and it's always fun to switch things up a bit. So let's dive in. So you want to start by prepping your nails, removing any polish. And I have gel polish on, so I'm using this gel polish remover by JODSONE. I'll put the information in the description box for you guys. So you first want to start off by filing the first layer of polish off, which is that shiny part. So you want to do that first and then apply the gel remover polish. So I'm just showing you right here how I use my non-dominant hand to file my right hand. I just basically move the right hand in directions that I need to be filed. Now if you're using a gel polish remover, please be advised to not put this on the skin. You want to put it directly on the polish and nowhere else. And wait for 10 minutes. Now I'm using a cuticle pusher to just scrape off the nail polish. Now I'm just making sure to remove any polish residue, and you can use a nail file for this, but I just wanted to hurry up, so I'm just using my nail tool here. Make sure you're very gentle with your nail bed. So now that our nails are clean from polish residue, I like to go in and file my nails in the shape that I want them, because my nails tend to grow when I have fake nails on. So I might as well just shape them in the way that I want as they grow. Now grabbing a nail buffer, I'm just going to buff my nails lightly just to make sure it's nice and smooth. So next, grab a cuticle pusher and you want to gently push back your cuticles. So usually when you buy these nail sets, they come with its own glue, which we don't need. And then it comes with its own cuticle pusher to make sure you push back your cuticles. So now you just want to make sure you find your nail shape and size them up, and then place them in order so you don't get confused. So here's a little tip: when you're choosing the size for your nail, make sure it doesn't touch your skin. So you want it to fit perfectly in your nail bed, so when you push it down, it's not going to go over your finger. Okay, next I'll be using Kiss nail glue to attach the nail. And I think it's important for you to use a glue that's specifically for this purpose, because it's going to ensure a strong hold. And Kiss by far is always the best one for me. I always use this one, especially that it comes with a brush, so I'm not adding too much glue where it's falling on the sides of the fake nail, and then it makes the fake nail look rough. So I like using it this way because it gives me a very precise precision and an even application. So real quick, I just want to give you a tip. Once you apply the glue, how I usually apply my fake nail is I go straight into the cuticle, and not too much, don't push hard, just firmly, gently push down. Now last but not least, apply a top coat to seal everything in and give my nails a shiny polished look. Now this part is optional. You can go ahead and apply a cuticle oil just to make everything look nice and clean and polished. And there you have it, a new and fun way to do manicures. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and comment for more nail tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of your nails and take care of yourself. Ciao!